Alright, so today we're going to show you how to create your own test-taking strategies acronym by signing up for canva.com and making your own custom infographic and posting your work here on Edmodo so that everybody can see it. So you're going to go first to canva.com, canva.com, and in the upper right-hand corner, click the sign up icon. Once you click that, type your name and click the drop-down menu until you find student and click on that and click Get Started. It's free. Once you're in there, you're going to go ahead and click Create Design. And it's got lots of different categories for you to pick from. Today we're going to show you how to make an infographic. So click on Infographic. And it gives you a whole bunch of different templates you can pick from. So whichever one you think best illustrates your concept or topic that you want to talk about, that's the one you're going to click on. So I'm going to click the sunflower one as my sample one. And once you have a template, you get to change everything and anything that's on there. So whatever words are on there, you're going to change it and modify it to whatever you need. Even down here at the bottom, you can change all this too. The only thing on the free version is it does sometimes have a watermark in there, which is their logo, which is okay for what we're doing in class. So we can just leave that there. If you do want to go ahead and pay extra to get rid of that, you can, but for our purposes, you can just use the free version of that. So I modified mine to make it shine. So test taking strategies to show your growth. And the acronym I made was the word shine, so that you can shine what you know. And let's zoom in a little bit so that we can see how that breaks down. So the S, I had that represent show what you know. H, hone in on your correct answer, so narrow it down and pick the right one. I, include text-based evidence. N, never second guess yourself. E, every second counts. And again, this is test-taking strategies to show your growth. And when you're done with that, you can download it. You can put the little arrow over here, drop-down menu, gives you some different options. Or you can just click the download button and suggest it as a PNG file, or you can do JPEG, totally up to you which one you want. And as you can tell right here, it says that right now, if you want to get rid of that watermark, it's a $1 fee. So we don't want to do that for what we're doing. We're just going to download with a watermark, which is totally fine with us. So you can just click on the download with watermark, and down here at the bottom left-hand corner, you can click on it, and it will show you your infographic. Your infographic picture. So I'm going to post this to our Edmodo page. So right here, under this post, where it says write a comment, you can put what your topic is or what your catchphrase is for your infographic. And I'm going to attach my file. Download. Go. Open. And comment. So now I have shared it with everybody in my class, and you can click on it. You can see your infographic. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.